Right, for this month we've got a few new shelters to look at from Abode. They're based around the Brolly system. Some of them are a little bit more simple than others. We've got 4 different ones to have a look at, so I'll just run you through them quickly. First of all, this is the 60-inch night and day oval umbrella. As you can see, it's a nice standard sort of oval shape, got plenty of room in there. The material's 5000 hydrostatic rated, so it's fully waterproof, but also nice and lightweight as well. And you can notice that when you pick it up in its bag, you know, it is a nice light shelter. Perfect for overnighters, or if you want something for the day, you're just going out for the day, you can put your chair in there or your bed in there. Loads of space, lots of cover. It comes with 2 storm poles, 4 different storm pole adapters. So you've got the 2 on this side and then 2 on that side. So if you want to add longer poles to it and make it a lot more secure, you can. It's got reinforced stitchings in the stress points. It's got a little lip there. It comes with a ground sheet. So obviously the ground sheet attaches to the Velcro bits, and then you've got that nice little lip which keeps the wind out and keeps it all nice and cozy. So as well as that, it also comes in a nice free carrier bag, 3 pegs, and as already mentioned, the 2 free storm poles. So you've got everything you need to get out fishing. I don't think there's a lot more I can say about that one, so let's move on to the next one. There's certainly a little bit more to talk about there. Right, here we have the 60-inch oval Carp Session bivvy system. As you can see, it is a full bivvy system. This is it fully set up, but if you just want to use it simply as an oval, as a basic brolly, you can do that, no problems. All this is a zip-on infill panel, so you can zip that off and it is just a standard oval. But inside here, if I open this up, it comes with a nice ground sheet, nice lightweight one. It's also got a little air vent in the back, help the air movement through the brolly, and also you've got on the sides here mesh infills, so you can literally just zip this up, roll that into place, and then that just clips on that little toggle there. Obviously I could do it a bit neater if I had more time, and again that allows lots of airflow, but it also importantly lets light in, which makes it a bit more comfortable place to be sitting in. And that's also features on the front. You can zip this up to reveal the mozzie mesh there. You can also change that mozzie mesh for a window panel if you want to, and then also it's got a dual zip system, so you can actually zip this down from the top. You're sitting in there and you just wanted a little flap to be looking out from, then obviously that offers you that option. Once again with this one, it's got the same 5000 rated material on there, so it's nice and waterproof, but as I mentioned before, still nice and lightweight. You've got a little Velcro section on the top there to support your rods whilst you're messing about with them, but other than that, I think we've covered most things. As with the last one, it's got the reinforced sections on the stress points, fully taped seam, loads of space in there, really good bit of kit. Right, so this is the 60-inch peaked version. Once again, just like the last one, it can be used as a normal oval or as a full bivvy system, as it is, as you can see now. Similar to the last one, this one's also got your mozzie mesh sides, but this time they're a nice green colour. Same with the front, and once again you can also put a window in there if you wish to, or the mozzie mesh infill. So you've got lots of different options. Heavy duty ground sheet which comes with it, but obviously the main difference with this one is the peak, and it's got a nice sort of, probably, I don't know, it's good sort of 8-10 inches away from the actual brolly, and obviously wind and rain, whatever angle it's coming from, that just helps to minimise it coming actually into the brolly itself. Slightly different system on the back there. Rather than rolling up, this one just literally Velcros onto this, which pushes that single layer out, which creates a nice vent there. Obviously the air can move in and out, making it a lot more comfortable. Right, last one to have a look at today is not actually an umbrella or a bivvy, it is simply just an overwrap. And the great thing about this overwrap is it will fit pretty much any umbrella, 60-inch of course. Ideally they fit a lot more snugger on the oval system, but it will fit normal umbrellas too. So if you've got a normal umbrella and you want to have that option to turn it into a proper bivvy with just simply carrying a little bag in your car, then this is the baby for you. Really simple to fit on. You just literally chuck it over your brolly, peg it into place. All the pegging points have got the elasticated sections to take the stress out of the stitching. Obviously you've got the normal type of door on here. The centre bit zips up if needed. You've got the main zips on either side, and then you've got nice strong clips to roll that up and clip them into if you want to keep it out of the way. There's not a lot I can say about this overwrap, but it is a great bit of kit. It's really well made, and as I said before, it will fit over most umbrellas. And obviously sometimes you find yourself in the summer in situations where the mozzies are just absolutely horrendous, and something like this would actually save your session. And the great thing about this Overwrap is it will fit pretty much any umbrella. This awesome infill panel, which is just a mozzie mesh, so just throw it over, peg it out, and it just sits in place perfectly. Looks neat, goes on really easily. Great idea. If you want to find out a bit more about the Abode range, check out online. You can find all the specs, facts and prices. And price is quite an important one because you'll be surprised at the fantastic value that these Brollies offer.